Before you start typing in your document, you'll want to check the instructions for your assignment. Does the instructor indicate requirements for a specific font size, font style, margins, line spacing, page numbering? Let's take a look at how we might change our document before we start typing in order to meet these requirements of assignment instructions. The font size can be found here in the font box. If you click on the down arrow, you will get a list of possible fonts. Right now we're set at 11, but the instructor says that it should be at 12. So what I'm going to do, since I've already started typing, if I had not started typing, I could just set it right now. I'm going to click and I'm going to keep my mouse button down as I highlight all of the words. Now I can go up here and I can change the font to a size 12 as indicated in the assignment instructions. The assignment instructions also say the font style should be Times New Roman. Let me check my font style. It's currently set at Calibri. So I'm going to click on this and I see Times New Roman up here because I recently used it, and these are all the recently used fonts. If your Times New Roman is not there and you need Times New Roman, you can scroll down through the menu, find Times New Roman, click on it, and now all your subsequent typing should be in Times New Roman. What about the margins? Let's see how the margins are set. Let's click Layout in the blue ribbon and click Margins, and I can see that the margins are currently set at normal, which is 1 inch at the top, 1 inch at the bottom, and 1 inch on the left and the right. So since that is what my instructor wants, I am going to keep it. If I needed different margins than any of these choices, I could click on Custom Margins and make my own margins. Line spacing. A lot of times instructors want double spaced so that they can write comments in between the lines of your writing. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight this, and I am going to go back to the Home tab. I'm going to click on line and paragraph spacing right here on the down arrow to see what my choices are. To get double spacing, I'm going to choose 2. So now I've got the appropriate line spacing. It indicates that I need to have page numbering at the top of the page, and that is automatically done if I click on Insert and then I click on Page Number over here. I would like it at the top of the page, and I've decided I'm going to put it on the right because the instructor has not indicated where it should be. You can see when I clicked on that, it has put a number in the header, and all of my subsequent pages will be automatically numbered.